What if I could show you how to stop bad reviews and get a spotless 5-star reputation in just 1 week? You may ask how that's possible, and it's actually easy. It takes only 3 steps. The first step is to get new, fresh 5-star reviews from your current customers. And the second step is to prevent any new negative reviews from ever going online. And the last step is to change any of your negative reviews which are already online to reviews as powerful as a 5-star review, or you just hide them from being visible. We guarantee to change the way your business looks in less than 1 week and position you as an industry leader in your area. But don't take my word for it. Try it free. We'll get you your first 6 5-star reviews free. These will be real reviews, all 5 stars from your own customers. There will be no cost, no contract, no credit card, and no obligation. Just your first reviews free. If you'd like to continue after that, great. And if not, that's fine too. You still keep your reviews. So click the button or call for a no cost, no contract, no credit card, and no obligation trial. Spots for the free trial are limited, so secure your spot now.